Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So y'all know I've been rocking these mini twists for a couple days now, and whoo, they need to be refreshed, y'all. So just stay tuned. Princess, my angel, you're my lover, you're the one. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
All my old time subbies, my congregation, Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang, welcome back for another video. So I've had these mini twists in maybe for about 3 days now at this point. And they're a little crusty. I'm not gonna lie. I've been working out daily. You guys know how I do. You follow me on Instagram. So I sweat pretty often and all that good stuff. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of refresh just the front row. Everything else, in my opinion, was pretty much decent for how I wear my twists.
No, baby, see, no. I know you lying.
So I chose the Wetline Extreme Gel, the green kind. You guys know I use the clear. I just chose the green because y'all really, honestly, it was just close to me. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and just refresh it. So I take it down and I just simply retwist. Now the only thing is I don't add any water. I didn't feel the need to hydrate my hair in that sense. I think because my prep was so good, I did it on blown out hair. The products that I use, I just didn't feel the need to. My hair was not dry at all one bit. So I did not take any water. I just simply added the gel. But if you are doing this for the first time, like I was, you got to use what works for you. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Braid Lock and Twist Gel by African Pride. I really like this stuff for my edges. And I just chose to kind of incorporate this again. I did it on the last 2 twists that you guys saw me retwist. So that's simply really all that I'm doing is just retwisting. But I think what it is for me that worked well was not applying any water. My hair now is a different story, so I'll show you guys in the next video what I do. So please be mindful that this video, my twists are about 3 days old, but currently as I'm doing this voiceover, my twists are like approaching 5 days. So my refresh will be different now. So just listen to your hair. You have to do what works for you. Whatever I'm doing may not work for you. You may need to hydrate with water. Sis, by all means, do that, please, okay? But in my next video, I'm gonna show you guys how I actually style my twists and how I would refresh. So that video will be a little bit different from this video. So we're just, you know, we gonna take it a couple days at a time, okay, sis? Just a couple days. On this side, I just chose to go ahead and just do a cornrow on the side of my hair. I like the way it looked, and it made it look a little bit neater in my opinion. So if the back was a little frizzy or whatever, which I really didn't have that much frizz either, just adding this cornrow, in my opinion, for my hair, for who I am, okay, it just made the look to me really cute, in my opinion. So I'm taking out the rest of it, and we're just gonna go ahead and section, and I'm gonna apply the same Wetline Extreme Gel to the ends because my ends are kind of frizzy and kind of unraveling and so forth because I did do it on dry hair, and my hair hasn't really like had any water to help it coil. So I find that using the gel, I just really like how it looks. It just looks very just like effortless and just like goddess like I said in the last video that I did. And I'm just scrunching it. Now the twist in the front, they're obviously going to swell up and match the twist in the back. So if your hair is anything like mine, don't worry, sis. You alright, okay, don't worry, because I was a little nervous at first myself. But it's been a couple days since doing this process, and it matches the back perfectly fine. So I'm just showing y'all, speeding up, and I'm taking my Edge Booster Style Factor edge booster. Y'all know I love this stuff. Love it. It does an amazing job at holding my edges down. I was really surprised at how long my twist lasted. But anyway, I'm gonna take my DEVACURL, this new extend and refresh spray, and I just wanted to test it out. I had never tried it, so I'm just spraying on like a little bit of pieces of my hair and my ends mainly, and that was pretty much it. So I'm just showing you guys the back of my hair. I do have some shrinkage, but not a whole lot, which surprised me. Okay, and Tabram, this is how my hair is looking. I just want to give you guys just, you know, all around show of how it's looking. Again, the front will swell up, so no worries, y'all, okay? But I'm really excited that my hair feels so moisturized. I just got to give it up to that Camille Rose that I used to put these bad boys in, and then just the prep before that. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking, y'all. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. So I'm going to show you guys how I am sleeping at night. I am taking my big old ghetto bonnet.
Okay.
And we're just going to go ahead and place them in there. And this has been working for me. I just let them fall where they may. Okay. And the good thing is the elastic part over my edges kind of keeps my edges down, so I don't have to like wear a scarf on that area. It kind of like molds it in a sense right there at the edges. And this has been protecting my hair at night, and I can sleep as crazy as I want to, and I'm good in the morning. So y'all, that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.